Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Steam is experiencing a slow download speed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the Steam application, and then go up and select the Steam tab up at the top left, and then select where it says Settings. Select Downloads on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says clear download cache. It's going to say this will clear your download cache and you'll need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? You would select yes, and then you would have to restart the Steam application and sign back in. You may also want to consider changing your download region as well. So we'll get one that's closest to your geographic location on this list here. Finally, something else you want to do as well on this page where it says throttle downloads all streaming. You may want to consider unchecking that option, and then you would select OK. So again, you did 3 different setting changes in there. You will need to restart Steam, and then hopefully once you've restarted, your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.